all-new Kia Sportage is larger, more capable, and more advanced than ever. And in the Sportage X Pro trim, with segment-unique 17-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, specially tuned drive mode and traction control systems, and surround view cameras, it can take you much farther off the beaten path than you might expect for a compact crossover. Kia recently proved Sportage X Pro's rugged credentials at an off-road course in the unforgiving high desert of Southern California. Beginning with an off-camber hill climb with its active all-wheel drive system locked, Sportage X Pro's 187 horsepower engine and beefy tires make short work of this steep 38% grade. With Sportage X Pro's Hill Start Assist, the driver can even pause on the incline without having to worry about rolling backwards. Next up, a side slope ridge. When one or more of Sportage X Pro's wheels loses grip or lifts into the air, the active all-wheel drive system sends all the torque to the wheels that have traction to keep you moving forward confidently. This ravine slalom simulates a dry creek bed or washed-out gravel road that a driver might encounter on the way to an outdoor adventure. Sportage X Pro's 8.3 inches of ground clearance and aggressive approach and departure angles work together with the active all-wheel drive system to ensure you don't get stuck or scrape any body panels. Time for another hill, and this one's even steeper. So steep that the driver loses forward visibility and ends up with a windshield full of sky. That's where the front camera view comes into play, giving the driver confidence to maneuver around whatever lies ahead. This maneuverability course shows another instance where Sportage X Pro's cameras are a big help. Kia's intuitive system allows the driver to see the predictive view of where all four wheels are headed. It not only helps the driver weave through this tight path of cones, it's also great for packed parking garages. Next challenge, camelbacks. Most compact crossovers would scrape, bottom out, or get stuck at the peak of these short, steep hills. Sportage X Pro boasts high ground clearance and an impressive breakover angle. In other words, it was made for this, and for mounds of snow as well. One more hill to tackle. On the way down, the driver uses Sportage X Pro's downhill brake control system, so he can focus on steering instead of riding the brake to control his speed. Set the speed using the throttle and brake, and the system will hold you at that speed all the way down. Consider this course conquered. For the compact crossover customer who wants to venture where others won't, Kia Sportage X Pro is the smartest and most capable choice. So get out there with Sportage X Pro, and always remember to adventure responsibly.
Kia, movement that inspires.